Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some common errors and how to avoid them when it comes to mountain pose. So, common errors. One big error that I see is people leaning forward and kind of putting the weight into their toes. So a lot of people just do this. The reason why they tend to do this in mountain pose is because they do this in everyday life. So instead of standing with their hips kind of above their heels and using their abs to support themselves, they kind of lean forward. They put the weight into their knees, the weight goes into their toes. And if you have foot pain or you have toe pain, then it could be from this. So that's error number one. Number two is shoulders rounded forward. So most of us have bad posture because we just don't focus on posture. We spend a lot of time at a computer, we spend time on our phone, the neck arches up like this and kind of cranes forward. And so when we go to do yoga, right, or we go to do exercise, we kind of maintain this posture because this is what our body's used to. It's basically what we train our body to do. So to fix this, you want to engage the muscles in your upper back. So think pulling your shoulder blades together and down, and then turn your palms to face forward. So just this little movement of turning your palms to face forward externally rotates your shoulders. It kind of takes your shoulders out of a rounded or internal kind of an internal rotation, and it helps to open up your chest and puts you into proper technique for mountain pose. And then last thing I want to talk about is extension through your lower back, or arching through your lower back. And this happens just because a lot of us spend a lot of time in anterior pelvic tilt, usually because our hips are tight and we spend a lot of time sitting. So to fix this, to take that lower back out of your arch, you want to think kind of reaching your tailbone down, or kind of bringing your butt under your torso, squeezing your abs, particularly your lower abs, and then squeezing your thighs. And that's going to help with proper muscular engagement through your hips and your core, and that's going to take that arch or excessive arch out of your lower back. So those are your common errors and how to avoid them in mountain pose. All right, hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to check out the rest of this page for more information on this pose, including considerations, proper technique, modifications, how to make it easier, and FAQs, and a bunch more stuff. Hope you're using this pose guide. Hope you check out the rest of the website. Make sure you're using the training resources. Check out the members area if you haven't seen that yet. And all the information that I just gave you is pretty much taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. If you're looking for a physical resource to help you learn yoga and practice the postures, that is a fantastic resource. It's a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health. Thanks guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.